Hi, my name is Karen Thomas, and I am so excited to share this tool with you. This tool has saved me so much time and energy and keeping up with my clients, my leads, my prospects. Because when you work on social media and in Messenger, it's so easy to lose track of who you're talking to, when you're talking to them, about what you're talking to them. And I found, or I was introduced to this tool, and I just have fallen in love. So I want to show it to you because this tool is so unique that when you want and install this tool, that they have a lot of training in the back office, but I personally help you with installing it for your business and how to keep up with your conversations. All right, let me show you this. Let me share this screen with you. All right, and here we go. As you can see, this is my messenger thing, and what's unique about it is, as you can see, everything is coded. Okay, and that's what makes sorting and finding all your conversations so neat. It also allows all of your notes. It has a little note thing here, and each person has a note as you put the information in there, or as you tag them with different things. It puts it right up here so that as I change people, it changes what's available with the codes. See, it comes up. So I know by what the code is what I have previously done with this person, or if I'm brand new talking to this person. But what's so cool is, you see this menu right here? This menu allows you to filter stuff so that if I wanted to talk to just my people who responded to my birthday wishes, I could sort by birthday responses, and it would give me, as you see, it's sorting through all the people that I've wished happy birthday and that I marked that they actually responded to me. They actually acknowledged that I messaged them. So it will tell me who those people are, and then I can continue having conversations with them. But see, this type of searching in your messenger is great because if you sell certain or different products and you want to keep up with people by the type of product that they use, it makes it so much easier to keep up with people with types of products or types of services. So that was 3 days ago that I had a response on that person. It will keep going through this until I stop it with how many I want to look at. So there are some of the searches, but what's really, really cool is over here, it is a Chrome extension. You have to use it in Google Chrome. And this, this tells me how many contacts are in each one of my categories. So birthday responded has 100 responses in it, 100 people. And the thing is this tells me how many, but what's really cool is I can go into the back office here and I can actually see who those people are. If there's a specific person, I'm not sure if sometimes you remember little bits and pieces, but if you see the name, it comes back to you. You might not remember it off the top of your head, but you can go through each one of these tags and it will give you the actual names. These are conversations. I have a book club, so these are the people in my book club. So it tells me how many contacts I have and who they are. So that if I wanted to make a screenshot of this and then talk to these individually, or because I have them all marked with the book club, I can send out a message. That's what's really cool, is if you can sort by seeing and starting with, talking to people that you classified, or if you want to send out a message to the people, you can do an automation. And I'm going to do this real quick. I'm going to actually do it with birthday responses because, sometimes I want to just get back to people and just say hi. So here, hi, this is a message that I've got programmed in here. It will choose the interval. I can do 20 to 20 seconds, or I can customize how fast or slow I want this to go. So I normally like to give it a little bit longer than the normal because sometimes Messenger is really funny. But what's really cool is that this message will rotate. I can put in several ways to say the same thing, and it will rotate it so that I don't get into Messenger jail, so that I don't send the same message over and over and over again to how many people. But I want to show you how easy this is. And I'm going to change, once this message is gone to my birthday responses, I'm going to change it to a different tag so that I can know I've already talked to these people and sent them just a general hi, how are you, it's a great day, what's your new goals. I can send them any kind of general message, and I can send it. I have it right now here where it puts their actual name in there, because you can code it so the message has their name or it doesn't have their name. So this is just so fantastic. But I'm gonna do a send real quick, just so that you can see how this how it sends the message. Here's the very first one that it is sending. And as you can see, this was to a person that I wished them a happy birthday. They responded, and now this is sending them a message back. I should have sent that. I normally do it a little longer, but let's stop that real quick, and I'll show it to you. I set it up for a little shorter since I'm only going to do a few for this demonstration. So if I do automations, let's do the birthday responded. I try to do these about the responded ones about once a week, because the whole point of Messenger is to build a relationship. But trying to do it individually one-on-one sometimes is a little harder. So I'm going to customize this and send it out every 15 to 20. 15, let's do to 17, and we'll do it 5, and we'll assign it a new tag so that so that you can see this happening a little bit quicker with this demonstration. But as you can see, it's going to send out a new message. This one's to Julie. She responded to my happy birthday message earlier this month, and so now it is sending her this message out. And then here real quick, because I did it 17 seconds. I don't do them that quick normally because you can get in Messenger jail if you do things too quickly or use the same message over and over. Now this is rotating the message, so it is not sending the same message out. But as you can say here, spring is here. How is your day going? What are your spring temperatures, now? Just a way to generate more conversations. The more conversations you can have with a person, the more you can find out if they are a qualified lead for you. If you can make a connection, find something to connect them to you with that you can build on, then this automatically will help you get that much closer to offering them something in your business. So this is how easy this program is. You can send out campaigns. If you see the menu here, I can do campaigns. I can do remove friends, because the thing is if people are not going to talk to you, you want to remove them. There's no need to keep somebody in your tags or in your rotation of talking if they're not responding back. And of course, you can always see if people are responding back to you or not when you pull them up. So this has got 3 of the 5 done already, and you can see how it can run. Now there's times that I set this up to do 30 or 40 at a time, and I'll set them to go do like 2 to 3 minutes apart so that I can run it when I'm out running errands. It is working for me, so that when I come back or when I am available to do and work in my business a little later on that day, I have people that are already responding back to me that I can continue or generate new conversation with. So there, we have finished those, and as you can see here, these are all the new messages. and you can come down and see all the different kinds of messages and things that I have going on here, because as is I do each person. These are ones that I had done earlier in the week with the changing them to the 2E birthday responses, and it's just to reach out and be able to casually, not salesy, build relationships and connections with. But there's this one's a person that I just recently sent a birthday wish. These are people that I did birthday wishes. Now I will do my birthday if I go through my filter. This one I haven't changed over to change the tag to a responded one yet, but when I do my birthday ones, I will come in here and see which ones to change. So let's go back here to birthday 4, and let's have it pull these birthday ones. And I will look to see if the same message is there or if people have responded, and then change them to a responded birthday message. So it makes it easier to keep moving people in a system of finding and connecting, or finding and figuring out if they're going to talk to you. So there's my birthday 4s. As you can see, here's ones I sent them out. These people haven't responded. So I would keep them there, and at some point I'll message them again and see if they ever start talking to me. Now the ones that have responded, this one here, thank you, wasn't bad, I'll change to a birthday responded. Just this easy is that I'll go through here and I will update this to birthday responded, just like that. And as you can see, it shows when the birthday was. I can keep any of these tags or I can remove them. But you can keep and you can add more messages. Like if I talked to this person and I found out he used a certain product or any information, he has kids, anything I want to know, I can sit in here and I can add it to this. If he's in crypto, so many of them are in crypto, I can put crypto in here, because what really makes this interesting is that when I go to pull, you can not just sort these people by tags. If I wanted to do, let me do book club. And then if I wanted to do by message or by note, the notes are the things that you've put in there. So if I wanted to do the notes and I wanted to put in a certain product, like say crypto, and I ask it to search, it is going to pull me up anybody that has that tag in the book club, and it has a note that they're in crypto. So it sorts by both, and that's what makes using this tool so exciting. Now, if you can see the value of doing this in your business, I would love to help you set that up. So I want you to set up a time it's a free meeting, and we can discuss the benefits of this tool with your business ahead of time, and then get you started with it and get it set up. So click the link in the description and set up a time, and just put in the notes that you are excited about L-Messenger Pro messenger tool, because see, it's already pulled the book club. See, there's book club. And these are conversations. It pulls it up. It'll tell me how long ago my last conversation with these people was a week ago. So this book club conversation was a week, a day. It tells you how long ago that conversation was. Can you imagine looking through all of your messengers for the last week trying to find somebody? This makes it so easy. I look forward to working with you and having you save time and energy with using this tool for your business.